Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable wiper service mode on your MG car. So I am on the MG S5 EV. Now, if you want to enable it, you just go over and click on the car icon. Once you're in car icon, you need to go to convenience, and here you need to scroll all the way down until you see wiper service mode at the bottom. Now, whenever you enable it, the wipers will just go up to your driver's side. So basically how they work, and you'll be able to just unplug them and change the wipers so that you can easily just get new ones installed. So now whenever I enable it, my wipers will just go up, and you can do that by just tapping on this switch right here. So whenever you're trying to service your wipers, you need to turn this on, and then after you're done, you turn this off. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.